Hi, my name is Auriane. I'm a PhD student at NYU, and I did the 5 weeks of ASPIRANTUM Russian language program. ASPIRANTUM has been a really wonderful experience. Everyone who works in the program is super welcoming, very accommodating, and has planned a really wonderfully structured program. I feel like my Russian has improved a lot since coming here, from having really structured syllabi for grammar practice and having a native speaker, both as a teacher and a teaching assistant, has made a world of difference. Living in Yerevan is a really unique experience to do a language program. The city has a ton to offer. There's a lot of opportunities to practice Russian, and it's been a really fun experience overall. I had the opportunity to live with other people who are doing the program and have made really wonderful friends along the way while also improving my language skills. The excursions that the program organizes are a really unique opportunity that other language programs might not offer. I've seen so much and learned a lot about Armenian culture, landscape, food while being here, and also really met my language learning goals during the program. So I couldn't have dreamt of a better experience than doing ASPIRANTUM.